Hi everyone, my name is Philippe, and welcome to my course Packaging Applications with Helm for Kubernetes. You need to install applications in Kubernetes, and you are looking for the right tool to do it? You are at the right place. Helm makes it much easier to install applications in Kubernetes and manage versions. So it's definitely worth learning. This course teaches you to use Helm version 3 with a lot of comprehensive diagrams, with a focus on understanding the basic concepts. Moreover, you can practice with a set of 11 labs with source code, where you learn to use Helm step by step to build a Helm chart and customize it with templates. And finally, to install a production-ready release of a real guestbook application or even a WordPress blog. Some of the major topics we will cover include building a Helm chart, customizing a chart with Helm templates, managing dependencies and versions, using Helm repositories. By the end of this course, you will be able to build your own Helm chart and install any application release in Kubernetes with Helm. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic concepts related to Kubernetes. But you don't have to be an expert. In fact, you can also learn Kubernetes best practices by first learning Helm and using existing stable Helm charts. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Helm with the Packaging Application with Helm for Kubernetes course at Pluralsight.